Romeo!
Juliet, why must you be on the upper gum while I'm stuck on the lower? Why can't we be close together?
It's okay, at least we're in the same mouth.
There's always a chance for us to embrace. Wait, why can't I reach you?
Why can't this mouth close properly?
Hey, could you cut it out?
Who said that?
Enough with the lovey-dovey act. Figure out how to fix me, or you'll never see each other again.
Doc, I just yawned. How did my jaw dislocate?
You opened your mouth wide enough to show me your breakfast. Of course it dislocated.